Hi everyone! Today we're gonna make cute little popsicle sticks. I don't know, one of the days I was making these lessons, I must have been hungry because I think I've made another food one before. Alright, so I made these very different and you can definitely play with your style. This one I made all cutesy and adorable. And this one I made with stripes and thinking a little more spooky. So you can make these any style. What kind of popsicle sticks have you seen? I've seen like cartoon characters made into popsicles, or popsicle sticks look like rockets, and I've also just seen decorative popsicles. So there's a billion things you can do to make this your own. Let's see what we can make. So the first step is to get your popsicle shape ready. You can do so many colors. I think I'm gonna do blue this time to make a blue raspberry popsicle. What I'm doing to make this easy is I go to the edge and I'm gonna slice down a little bit, then take my scissors and turn. And that's it. You have a popsicle shape, the basic one. Now sometimes you'll end up with one curvier side and you'll have one straighter side, and all you do is you just add a little extra curve. You can always trim to make it a little better, but it doesn't have to be perfect. I don't think we have to go crazy about perfect here. Alright, so now I have my base. I know now it's tempting to make the first thing you do glue on your popsicle stick. Wait, because if you glue on your popsicle stick now and then you start drawing, you can end up with some weird bumpy lines. I don't want bumpy lines on my work. So I'm gonna wait to glue that to the very last. So now I get to play with decorating. We have pom-poms, we have foam shapes, we have markers, we have construction paper, we have glue. There's so many options. I think I'm gonna start with some construction paper. And I already made a stripe one, and I already made one with swirls. So how about this time, I'm gonna do a polka dot one. Okay, so I'm gonna grab a lot of paper, not the blue one though, because I've already used that. That's scraps that I've already cut out of a little bit. So I've already cut out of red, green, and black today, and orange. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do some double cutting. So if these are all on top of each other, when I cut them out, then I'm gonna make the same size circle. So I'm gonna cut out some circles all together, and I'm gonna get so many sizes because I get them all out at the same time. And as long as they don't wiggle too much, they'll look about the same. One of mine wiggled a little bit, but you know what I'm gonna do? Since it has a straight edge, I'm just gonna glue that right on the edge of my popsicle. So now I have a bunch of popsicle polka dots. All right, so I'm gonna use the glue stick to attach these. So you'll notice I also have some liquid glue on my table. And that is because you want to use these for different things. They're different tools for different things. So the glue stick is for anything light and thin. It's not going to attach anything that's a little heavier. So anything I'd say medium heavy, like a pom-pom or a little piece of foam, just use the liquid glue for that. You might be able to get the glue stick to work, but it's easier. If you have both, do it and make the right choice for you. Okay, so now I'm at the point where I have my base decorations. So now I get to decide what to add next. I think the next thing I'm gonna add is some little pieces of foam. So I have some foam squares here. I think I'll just position them little random. I think I'll pretend they're like little pieces of candy or something. Are you getting hot enough days that you'd want to have a popsicle outside? I don't think I've gotten that hot this summer yet, but there's more days left. maybe we'll have a popsicle hot day really soon. All right, well that's looking so cute. I think next I'm gonna add a couple little polka dots with a marker for a little bit more details. You know what might even be fun is add some googly eyes to this so it comes alive. I don't have googly eyes right in front of me. That could be fun, couldn't it? Maybe another day. All right, so next we have our popsicle to glue on. Now if you want, you can even add some decoration to this with the marker or the foam. I think, let's see, I'm gonna draw some triangles on my popsicle stick. Just at the bottom because I'm gonna glue the top half, so I'm not gonna waste my time doing the design up too high. Yeah, I'm happy with that. That will be cute. All right, so now I'm going to do a line of glue. One of the important things is we don't want to add too much glue. Have you ever had the glue just start squirting out all over your project? Then your hands get sticky and your table gets sticky and everything's sticky. We don't want that. No glue monsters. Just little glue lines or little glue dots as you need. And it needs to dry, but there you have it. Another like adorable popsicle. So now I have 3 for my collection. I can't wait to see what you make. I hope you have a lovely time making popsicles, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.